Hello everyone, and welcome to another review of, this time, a pair of trainers, or sneakers as they're called in the States. Now, in the past we've kind of looked at American brands a lot, so today I thought we would look at a German brand, Adidas, founded by the late great Adi Dassler. Now, I was kind of in the market for a pair of trainers because the sun's out and it's difficult to wear boots every day when the sun is out all the time. So I wanted to a pair of trainers or sneakers that would go with denim and would also go with my Barber jackets, because I have quite a few Barber jackets and I don't really have any sneakers to go with them, so I figured I'd try these. They're from theheroesjourney.co.uk. That's heroes with an OES, theheroesjourney.co.uk, and they're pretty cool, really. The sole's very interesting, as you can see. It's got a very interesting design to the sole. It's not like anything I've really seen before. It's quite futuristic. The upper is, so the sole is quite foamy. So it's pretty cool. There isn't much in the way of grip in the bottom, but they're a very comfortable shoe, and I'm sure the sole goes some way to making them very comfortable. The upper is knitted and it's fabric, so I think it's referred to as a melange, maybe on account of the various colours in there. So it's got green, brown and some speckles of pink. I quite like the mix of colours, really, but it's like a sock type of design, so it hugs your feet. Now, they actually look wide out of the box in terms of, as far as how they look quite wide, but when you put them on, they're quite fitting. So it's quite deceptive in that way, the shoe, but they are incredibly comfortable. There's no individual tongue per se. It's all one piece of fabric. There's no three stripes on there either, so you get these panels instead. I'll just turn them around for you so you can see what they look like on the other side. They're a really nice shoe. Now, it was the colour that kind of got my attention. It's an olive green. Now, I have quite a few Barber jackets, Barber being a British heritage brand, and a lot of their jackets, or my jackets, are in fact olive green, so the trainers will go quite well with my jacket, and also, they look cool if you're on a hot day wearing a pair of cargo shorts and a t-shirt. Your footwear will look on point. So I needed a pair of comfortable sneakers, and I opted for these, and I have to say I'm very glad I did. I don't normally wear sneakers and I have issues around pink, but these don't disappoint, and so I might be going to what's it called? No jacket required this year, so I may end up wearing these to jacket required. We'll see, because I'll be doing quite a bit of walking. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. The Adidas, I think they're called Prophers. I'm not really sure. Propheres. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, to be perfectly honest with you. I should know, but what can I say? And you can get them from theheroesjourney.co.uk. theheroesjourney.co.uk. So check them out. If you're in the market for a pair of sneakers and you want comfort, then I highly recommend these trainers.